How's it going, guys? SharkBlox here. Today we are going to be talking about Roblox web browser extensions, but this time, guys, we are going to be installing them onto our smartphones. As you probably already know, the Roblox app version that you can find on the App Store or Play Store doesn't exactly give you many features. It's honestly a pretty basic version of the Roblox website, and in my personal opinion, I don't really like using it. I think it's really bad. In a way, it's kind of like a child-friendly version of Roblox, so when I always log into Roblox on my phone, I'm always selecting the desktop browser version on the Google Chrome app. But recently, guys, I discovered that you can now get Roblox extensions for your Android and iOS device. For iOS, it's a little bit more restricted because only Rogold is supported. As far as I know, Rogold is the only official extension which works on iPhones and iPads. But on Android, everything is supported. So Btroblox, Ropro, Rogold, Roblox Plus. There could be a few little bugs and glitches, but if you can name an extension, it will probably work. So let's start off this video with the iPhone extension setup, because this one requires a few more steps. So as I was saying, the only extension to work on iPhones currently is Rogold. As you can see, here is Rogold over on the Apple website. And before we begin, guys, I just want to point out one thing. At the time of recording this video, Rogold is not free. It's 9.00 KR, so I'm pretty sure that's exactly $1. You guys can check on the App Store for yourself in your own country. For me, I think that's like 89 pence. Yeah, it's very cheap. But as you can see, Rogold on the iPhone, you can trade limited, you can set up themes, joining games still works, you can customize your profile, enable loads of cool features. It's honestly really cool to see Roblox extensions finally working on iOS devices. So yeah, I'll tell you what, guys, I'll go and turn on my iPhone and I'll show you how to set this up. So over on your iPhone, guys, the very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store and of course search for Rogold. Literally type it in just like that. I will be linking it down below in this video's description as well. And yeah, go and purchase it or install it. Like I was saying, guys, at the start of this video, keep in mind Rogold on iPhones does cost $1. So for me, it cost like 89 pence. Yeah, it's very cheap, but still, just keep that in mind. It should only take 1 second to download, guys. So once it's finished, go ahead and open it. And it's going to say, guys, you can turn on Rogold's Safari extension in settings. So yes, of course, close out of the app, go over to your phone settings, and what you want to do is scroll down until you find Safari. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it just like that. Then scroll down, guys, go to extensions, tap on that, and make sure Rogold is turned on. If it's turned off, it will not work, so make sure it's turned on once it's been installed. Then next, guys, you want to close out of your settings, go ahead and open up Safari, and you do need to do a couple more steps. Can you guys see at the top where it has like the little AA logo? So yeah, basically tap on that, then tap on manage extensions. It's going to pop up with this. Make sure Rogold is turned on, and honestly, guys, that's literally it. The Rogold plugin is now running on your iPhone, iPad, iPod, whatever device you're using, just to make sure your iOS is up to date, and it should be working perfectly fine. You can now refresh the page, go over to your settings, you can tap on account info, enable Rogold, you can scroll down, enable all of these custom settings, you can do themes, literally anything you want to. And yeah, honestly, guys, that's basically it. That's how you set up the Rogold extension on your iOS device. And from this point on, guys, you can literally do whatever you want. You can enable all of these settings, you can get a custom theme. There's honestly so many different options that come along with the Rogold extension. Now, guys, I do actually have a Rogold setup tutorial over on my channel, and in that video, it does feature a lot of the Rogold settings. So if you guys want to watch that video, you can go ahead and watch that if you want to. In the video you're watching right now, I'm not going to go over every single Rogold option again. Otherwise, it's just going to take way too long. And like I was saying, guys, I have actually done that before. The main reason behind this video is to show you guys how to get Rogold on iOS and Android. I'll get onto Android in a second, because with Android, you can pretty much use any extension you want to. And I just want to say, guys, if you go over to the Discover page, you can also play any Roblox game you want to. So if you go ahead and select one of them, like this one, as you can see, it lets you open it in Roblox, and yes, the game will automatically start. So you do kind of like use Roblox inside of Safari. As you guys can see in this gameplay, it did actually log me into another account because I was using 2 Roblox accounts on my iPhone. I had one account signed into Safari, and then I had my other account signed into the Roblox app. So yeah, that's why it looks a bit strange. I didn't actually realize when I was was recording the video. But yeah, honestly, Rogold on iOS devices is really sick. I really dislike using Roblox without extensions. I don't know, guys, Roblox just seems so bare without extensions at this point. It seems so basic, I guess. That's basically why I never use the default Roblox app. But yes, guys, there you go. That's how you get and set up Rogold on any iOS device. Now for Android, guys, to be honest, it's completely different compared to iPhones. We will need to get this app browser, which allows Chrome extensions on your Android phone. And yes, this is actually really cool. Now it's called the Kiwi browser, fast and quiet. I'll leave a link to this down below in this video's description. But if you guys are already on your Android device, you can simply go ahead, open up the Google Play Store and literally just search for it. But yeah, guys, once you have it installed, it's free. Go ahead and tap on open and the app is going to launch just like this. And what you can do is tap on the search bar at the top and you can type in any Roblox extension. So as you can see, for an example, I typed in Btroblox. You could choose Ropro, Rogold. Literally any Roblox extension is okay, even Roblox Plus if you wanted to. Then go ahead, guys, and install it just like you normally would. So obviously click on Add to Chrome, install it just like that. And yeah, that's how you get Roblox extensions on Android. The setup process is a lot easier than it is over on iPhones and iPads and iOS devices. But anyway, once you have your extension of choice installed, what you can do is go over to roblox.com. So yeah, basically the website. Don't use the Roblox app, use the Kiwi browser. So obviously accept the cookies, then click continue in browser. Simply go ahead and log into your Roblox account. So yes, you guys can see I am logging into my alt account. And once you log in, guys, Roblox is going to load just like this. You don't have to save your password if you don't want to, but make sure to click continue in browser and it's going to bring you to your Roblox homepage. And then there you go. You can now use Roblox with an extension installed. And the extension I chose was the Btroblox extension, but like I said, guys, you can use any one you want to. It really doesn't matter. On Android, getting Roblox extensions is completely free. The only thing I would recommend, guys, if you're using an Android phone rather than an Android tablet, especially on Btroblox, is to go over to the Btroblox settings and make sure you unselect keep sidebar open, then go ahead and refresh the page. And as you can see, yeah, now it looks a lot better. It's because when the sidebar is always open, it kind of like fills up the entire page. If you're on a tablet, it probably won't really make a difference. But if you're on a phone, obviously the screen is a bit smaller. And believe it or not, Roblox Desktop is designed for desktops. I mean, yeah, it makes sense. It's in the name, right? Just closing that little menu in the Btroblox settings will just make it easier to browse Roblox. Here you go, guys. Here's some footage of me using my Roblox extension in kind of like the landscape mode. Yeah, I guess this is called landscape mode. And to be honest, I really like it. Like I said earlier, when I was showing you guys the Rogold tutorial over on my iPhone, I really hate using Roblox without any plugins or extensions installed. It just seems so bad. But with extensions installed, guys, it makes Roblox honestly so much better. So there you go, over on my profile. And yeah, I really like this. It's honestly really, really cool. And there we go, guys. So that's how you set up Roblox web browser extensions for your iPhone or your Android device. I'll quickly remind you guys again, on iPhone, this costs like $1 to set up, and on Android, this is 100% free. So yeah, if you're mainly an Android user like myself, well, there you go, count yourself lucky. But that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed it or found it helpful or useful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.